instant replay brought to you by Shakey's. Shakey's, it's fun family pizza. Longest rally of the game, ending on an Ateneo point. All smiles on the side of Adamson and all bowed heads on the side of Ateneo.
Exactly. I don't see any reason why Adamson should be worried right now. They're really playing or moving as one. They're running the game plan as they practiced, and so far they're making it look very easy.
Defensively, Ian, as Baya Pascual has been very productive. If she gets the right set today, unfortunately she's going to go back to serve, but defensively Adamson is looking like the Adamson of old, the classic Adamson na walang namamatay na bola. Vasquez. Benting again. On top of that ball. On top of everybody else, actually.
Angela Benting, just a percentage player. That's what you call her. You know, you can rely on her to deliver, to get the ball across. It doesn't have to be a point all the time, pero yung porsyento na nandun yung tatawid sa net, mataas.
So out. Working for Ateneo here. They're behind by 5 again. They are, 6. Okay, there's a correction. 5, 17, 13. So it's down to 4 again. Wow, Pao Soriano has been solid on defense.
Nice.
And nakasingit si Cara doon.
That's right. That was a back quick for Cara.
Former Rookie of the Year.
She's been trying that all afternoon long. Finally, she gets one through.
Probably the do-it-all player for Adamson. I'm sorry, for Ateneo, to see Cara Acevedo can attack. One of their better and best receivers. Great server.
That's a free ball.
Chance here for Ateneo. And they go to Phil. Easily taken by Kinlog.
Nakatapat eh.
Confusion for Ateneo. Easily taken again. Benting.
That's
Lazaro's there. Kainglet. Vasquez was there. The smarts, veteran smarts for Angela Benting. And it has extended to a 6-point lead. Look at that, swiping the ball off Cara Acevedo.
Anong gagawin mo? Bablakin mo pa siyang ganyan? Diba, nag-usap na tayo? Sinabi ko sa inyo, pantayan nyo na yan, isa na lang babla. Kasi pag kumapit doon, pa-outside na. Nakita ninyo pa, okay na, binlock mo na siyang ganyan. Nakita mong ipapacheck palabas, bakit hinahabol mo pa?
Coach Roger, for the 5th straight set, has been frustrated going back to the LaSalle game.
You're right. Well, his instructions were, you gotta know who you're defending up against. You've got an Angela Benting in front of you. You know one of her weapons is to swipe it off the block. Clearly, it was obvious she was gonna do that because no angle to work with in the cross court, but still, they went for the block.
Kainglet puts a little into that. They saved that ball. That was already looking like another Adamson point.
Phil has to step up right now. You know, this is one of those games that you really have to
dig down deep.
Dig down deep and show your teammates that, you know, I'm the leader of this squad. These are the games that call for that kind of transformation.
I like that. Benting, who has been in several of those games, down the line and puts it away with a kill. Look at this. Look at the accuracy.
Look at that.
That is tough.
Look at that.
Best in the business. Reception problems. But I like that point, Ian. The games were...
Yeah, these are those kinds of games.
Naghahanap ka na, no? Ito, lakas ni Zapata.
Like what you were saying earlier.
Pero sumobrang lakas. Natawagan ng violation.
The only thing missing there was the ring.
One hand against 3.
There you go.
And that was her left.
That was the left hand.
Ho had a service error earlier. Corrects it this time. Down by 5.
Too close again.
See, even if it's too close, Zapata is just going to swing at it. Kinlog off the blocker.
Oh, someone touched it.
Check.
Bea Pascual with the last touch on that ball.
Desperation time here for Ateneo. Down a set. Down 6 rather. 21-15.
And remember the importance of this game to these two teams.
Number 3 spot.
Wow. Another good block there by Kinlog.
Number 3 spot, which guarantees a spot to go up against second-ranked team, UST Tigresses, who have the twice-to-beat advantage. By the way, later on, our second game, LaSalle and UST, and this place is already almost in full capacity.
That's right.
And no betting pa yun.
No betting game. But again, like what you said, no betting game is not in their vocabulary. And I agree, because that those two teams don't mind what the rankings are. They don't mind it at all. They want to go up here and play and definitely defeat either UST or LaSalle for those two respective teams. That's just it. Talunin lang natin, that's it.
Tama. Para sa UST, of course, they want to get back at LaSalle, who beat them in 3 sets the last time out. Pineda, safely across. Gervasio, this time a little more power, but again, looks like there are 7 players there for Adamson right now. You know, Bea has been very effective here.
That's right. It's been Bea Pascual all the way here in the second set.
Oh, yung mga quick niya,
Puro yun.
Right from first set, very productive siya. He's gotten some points, but it all starts with reception talaga, and it's been faulty. Better here in the second set compared to the first. Regalo.
Alright, this is a good run here by Ateneo. They've cut down that lead to 3 points.
At a crucial part of this set. Ringlet. Great reception.
Oh, ganda from Vasquez.
Vasquez has been solid today. They go back to Bea.
Bea will get it.
So we've been talking about, she's been very productive. The lead is down to 2, closest they've gotten in a very long time.
Sandali lang yan. Ha? Hawak, hawak. Tara, isang ikot tayo. Kaya mo panuhin eh. Tulungan nyo, patayin mo, panuhin mo. Pagtulungan kayo dun sa loob. Okay? Okay. Tama na yun. Sige lang maganda. Yun, sige lang maganda. Sige lang maganda.
Lang yan kumbaga, kadalasan very calm words. Pero ngayon may kasama.
Fighting words.
Patayin ninyo.
Patayin niyo yung rally ha, baka yung mga nanonood
Hindi sanay sa ano.
terms sa volleyball eh.
Just like that. That's inside.
Great reception. Vasquez has been solid here. In this match.
Great defense from Vasquez.
Single block. 2 points away for Adamson University from copping set number 2. Over-received. Oh! See what I mean? Minsan lang gaganyan yan, sablay pa eh. Hindi sanay eh.
Buti pang tinodo niya na lang
Hindi
lagi.
talaga kasi sanay eh.
Serve him better.
That was a lucky break there for Ateneo.
Sabi mo nga, 1 speed lang yan si ano eh.
Oh!
She has been doing that for 3 years now.
And Lazaro really shaky right here because that ball, I think, was on its way out. It just so happened she didn't react, quick enough.
That's a great point, Ian. They go back to Bea. That's too close. Too low, too low. And Ateneo in a hole, a very deep one. A 0-2 start for the Lady Eagles. And Adamson looking like they are ready for any team here in the UAAP.